what your natural hair can achieve. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today let us make my hair while showing you that your natural hair can achieve any style if you want it to. You see, this style I'm going to be making today was actually made from wig. Like they use weave on and then wigs to achieve this look, but I said if this could achieve the look, then my natural hair definitely can. So watch me while I transform my natural hair from this to the look I'm showing you on the screen right now. As you can see, it was made from attachments and then weave. So I went ahead to blow dry my hair like I will always do. Your hair can be very strong, but you do not know how much power and how much versatility your hair can become when you give it a chance. So I went ahead to do all this stuff, and then I'm just going to let you watch how I achieve this look. And don't forget to follow me, like, and also share. This page will be promoting more of natural hair, and then you are going to be seeing different styles. Please let me know if you love this style in the comment section. Which other style would you want me to also post on my page? And I'll see you in my next one. Enjoy. Bye.